We are going to learn about types of algebraic expressions. We have learned that terms are added together to form algebraic expressions. For example, the terms 6x square minus 3x and x6 are added together to form 6x square minus 3x plus 6. Algebraic expressions can be classified based on their numbers of terms. Mono means one in Greek. Expressions containing one terms are called monomials. Example, x is then one term. Bi means two in Greek. Expressions containing two terms are called binomials. Tri means three in Greek. Expressions containing three terms are called trinomials. An expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial. So, these are all the four types of algebraic expressions. Thank you.